Hello and welcome back to the Colloquial Kitchen. As I promised last time, today we're going to make some fancy French sauces. Roux, bechamel, mornay. And you've probably had all of these before because they're not fancy French sauces. A roux is what you use to thicken gravy from your roast or your turkey dinner. Bechamel is, with a slight little tweak, white gravy that you have over chicken fried steak. And the mornay, that's the cheese sauce in mac and cheese. 4 ingredients to get all the way through. So let's go over to the stovetop and see how they're made. Okay, so first is the roux. All it is get your kettle on, put in some butter, grab a whisk. Melt the butter in your pan. Add flour. I like to use the sifter just because it's easier. It is not required. Add it in a little bit at a time. Until you have a paste. That's a roux. That you use to, turn my heat down, that you use to thicken gravy. Thicken anything. Now, I'm going to make a bechamel. That means we add milk to this. That's all. Little at a time. If you add it too fast, it will get lumpy. Ooh, I'm spilling all over. Now, if you are vegan, you can make your roux with oil, like olive oil or grapeseed oil or sesame oil, instead of the butter. You can make your bechamel with nut milk or oat milk or any other vegan milk. Bechamel or white gravy. If you're doing a southern fried steak, you would use the drippings from your sausage instead of the butter. You can use butter to sort of add on if you don't have enough drippings. And you'd add a lot of black pepper. Then you throw your sausage in here. Now, I'm going to thin this down just a bit because I'm going from bechamel to mornay. Mornay means add cheese. And this is just leftover sharp cheddar from my holiday party. Just keep mixing it around until that cheese all melts in there. You don't want to add too much at once. You want to give it time to, let's bring that heat up, give it time to melt and not clump together. But you now know how to make 3 fancy French sauces. The roux, the bechamel, and the mornay.